plan, and the purpose in nature. Nature seems not to have any purpose or any plan. The same observation holds about life, which does not seem to have any purpose or any plan as well. All the observations seem to agree that life simply follows passively the vector of time and the cosmic events. And by this, sometimes passes and species survive, and other times crashes and the species extinct, always passively, without any purpose and without any plan. In fact, the paleontologists have estimated, according to their findings, that about 5 billion of species have already been extinct, which in other words equals to 99.9% of all species that ever existed on Earth. Statistically, this means that if humanity choose to move on without any purpose and without any plan to their travel on space-time, then they will be joined in voluntarily by themselves to the probabilistic game which is named, with 99.9% of accuracy, you lose.